Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to import a workflow in N8N. All right, let's begin. First, open your browser and go to the official N8N website. Make sure you are logged in and have the right permissions. From there, open the workflow editor, which is the main hub for creating and managing automations. At the top navigation bar, click the three-dot icon to access more options. Here, you will find the import feature with two choices: import from URL or import from file. If your workflow JSON is hosted online, such as on GitHub, use the URL option. Just copy the link and paste it into the provided field. If you have the file saved locally, choose Import from File and select it from your computer. Once you provide the URL or file, N8N will start importing. Wait a few moments while the process completes. After that, the workflow will appear in your editor, ready for review and configuration. So that's basically how you can import a workflow in N8N. That's it for this video. Thanks.